Data is the new oil that keeps businesses running. The already enormous amount of data we produce and consume is growing exponentially every year. This has led to an increased demand for large data centers. A large data center contains server rows after server rows, with hundreds of kilometers of cables connecting the servers online and to power sources. As energy density per rack rises, more process cooling is necessary. And while fire risk in these complex facilities increases, the tolerance for downtime decreases. FM Approvals certifies industrial and commercial products and services for companies worldwide. As loss prevention professionals, FM Approvals recognize the increased fire risk in data centers and sought a solution. HI-FOG is the world's leading high-pressure water mist system solution that has met their high standards, and it has received the FM Approval Certificate to protect data halls and subfloors in data centers. Let's take a look at how HI-FOG fire protection works and what components it consists of. The heart of the system is the HI-FOG Electric Pump Unit, EPU. It pressurizes the water and provides required flow. Specifically designed valves are designed to prevent a false discharge. Pressurized water is distributed through stainless steel pipes. And finally, the layout of the sprinklers is designed to fit the criteria determined by full-scale fire tests and approvals. Other components that the system requires are detectors and a release panel that functions as the brain for the whole system. Data center operators want to prevent false discharges in their data halls at all costs. This has been taken into consideration with the pre-action system. In case of a false alarm, the sprinklers stay closed as the bulbs are unbroken. In a normal situation, the pipes in the data hall are pressurized with air. This helps in monitoring the whole system and makes sure the sprinklers are unbroken when the system is in standby mode. If a sprinkler bulb breaks accidentally, only pressurized air escapes the sprinkler, and the system generates an alert signal. HI-FOG system is fast and inexpensive to reset to standby mode. It only requires changing the released sprinklers to new ones. No need for expensive replenishment, as in the case with gas suppression systems. The data hall is typically equipped with early sensing smoke detectors. The system activates when one or several detectors send a signal to the release panel. The release panel responds by sending a signal to the control cabinet, which immediately starts the HI-FOG pumps, which then will generate high pressure. A signal is also sent to open up the valve. Water mist is only released to the area where it is needed to fight fire. HI-FOG is approved by FM Approvals to protect the server rooms, also known as white space, and subfloors. Subfloors are used for delivering process cooling to servers. They are also often used for laying cable racks. Cable fires can be really difficult to extinguish. Appropriately, HI-FOG has been designed to fight fire also in the narrow spaces under the data hall. Water is discharged only to the area of fire, not to the entire data hall, subsequently preventing flooding of the premises. HI-FOG uses significantly less water compared to traditional sprinkler systems. Cooling is also more efficient in comparison to traditional sprinklers or low-pressure water mist systems. Unlike expensive gases, water is a commodity with no risk of being banned by authorities. Using water mist is not restricted to one shot of operation either. HI-FOG provides total protection for all spaces of a data center. Water mist fire protection can also be used in office areas where personnel are located. And water mist offers an excellent choice in fighting fire in technical areas with backup generators, transformers, and UPSs. Any expansions of the site can be done easily and efficiently just by adding pipes, valves, and sprinklers to new areas supported by the original pump set. This scalability is especially beneficial in modular data centers that are built in phases. HI-FOG is your performance-based solution based on full-scale fire tests.